I do a lot of GameCube mods on and off of this channel. I also sell a lot of modded GameCubes on my website, retroremaster.com. But other than my personal GameCube that has the old Xeno chip, I always mod my GameCubes with Pico Boot. And for a lot of people, that's a no-go because it requires soldering. But there is an alternative for a bit more money that is completely solderless. You just have to be willing to lose your disk drive completely. Meet the GC Loader. For about 50 bucks on AliExpress, you can grab this plug and play disk drive alternative and play all of your games off of an SD card. And it's super quick and easy to install. Let's go over how to do it. You will need the bigger size game bit screwdriver to get in the console because of these 4 screws. Then you'll need Phillips 1 and 2 bits to take care of all of these screws and remove the metal shielding from the disk drive. I ended up swapping the shell to this new red and black one because, well, this one was disgusting, but it's not necessary to do here. Once the shielding is removed, you can take out the GC loader board and use the included screws to secure to the shielding. Then from there, you can put it all back together if you want, because that's all you need. But I also bought this SD card extender for around $20 to make it a little bit cleaner. And once I put that together, I was able to just plug it into the GameCube where the disk drive was and reassemble the rest of the console. It was super simple and only took me about 30 minutes, even with a full reshell. Next, you can set up the SD card by downloading and unzipping the latest version of Swiss, renaming the ISO file to boot.iso, and dropping it in the root of the SD card, along with all of your legally obtained ROMs. Then you can just drop that SD card in the reader, and when you turn on your console, you'll boot right into Swiss where you can just pick your game and play. That's it. It is a simple process, but if you want a little more help, you can follow along with me in the tutorial I made over on the second channel, Jake64. Now that it's all put together, let's talk about whether or not this is all worth it. For starters, you probably don't need the SD card extender. It does definitely clean up the look on the inside and makes it so you don't have to stick your hand into the console like you're reaching for a cookie at the bottom of the cookie jar every time you want to make a change to the SD card. Well, let's be real. You're most likely to just set it and forget it and rarely need to reach for that SD card. As far as the actual mod itself, it's a solid plug and play mod that's easy enough for almost anybody to do. The biggest problem is it makes it impossible to play your discs, obviously, not to mention the fact that it's also more expensive than all the other options on the market. But it is a solder-free mod that allows you to play all of your ROMs off an SD card. If only there was a mod out there that was solder-free, cheap, and kept the disk drive functionality. There is. It's called Pico Loader, and you can buy it now from AliExpress preloaded and pre-soldered for only $20. It's pretty cool looking, and I plan to take a look at it soon in another video, so get subscribed so you don't miss that. But why didn't I just do that instead of the GC loader? Because this GameCube specifically had a bad disk drive. I've tried everything I can to save it, from recapping it to adjusting the laser, plus a few other things, and I just could not get it to work. So since keeping the disk drive didn't make any sense, and buying a used working one isn't the cheapest, I just decided to give this one a shot. And honestly, as clean and simple as the GC loader is, I really only recommend it if you're in a similar situation where your disk drive is not working and is unfixable. Otherwise, it makes way more sense to go with Pico Boot or Pico Loader so you can keep the disk drive operational and save a good chunk of money. But what do you guys think of the GC Loader? Let me know in those comments down below. If you want, you can grab this very GameCube from my website, retroremaster.com, because I don't need it. But anyways, that's about it for me. So like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Later, guys. I just love it when there's screaming children outside when I'm trying to record. I'm really turning into a crotchety old man. How dare they have fun playing outside like that? Friggin' children.